Ki arpu ngut ki field assistant ki bala Pyndep ya kejing hikai na ka Conservation of Training Institute CTI Byrnihat. Ha ka 49th batch field assistant training course. Ha ka sautrik biayong arhajar arpulai kelayo ban pediang sernot bat syak penkup buram ha ka program jangka passing out ceremony bala penlong da ketenat soil and water conservation jangka Sarkar Meghalaya ha ka auditorium jangka CTI Byrnihat. Hagni kejingalang penkup buram yang ni samla ke bala Pyndep kejing hikai. Lawan bani Shim benta da Marquis and Marak Menteri Ketenat Soil and Water Conservation kum ukongsan. Ha kejingadon lang ikong ai renja Director Ketenat Soil and Water Conservation, UMCH Momin Additional Director, ba OT Lengwa Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer, bat kiwe ki officer. Ha kejingadon lang ki bahayang bahasam jang kini ki bala Pyndep yang kini kejing hikai. Na pedang gini ki arpu wengut ki bala Pyndep kejing hikai bat kejing syak pentebit bala pendrung ha kesnam arhajar arhajar arpulai sangut ki digi kentai bat khat nderungut ki digi senrang ha ka ba khat arngut ki dai na ketenat Soil and Water Conservation Assam arngut ki dai na ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Department of Forest Shillong laingut ki dai na Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council Department of Forest Jowai saungut ki dai na ka Soil and Water Conservation South Garo Hills Division Bakmara.
As the impacts of climate change exacerbate the water crisis with erratic rainfall patterns, prolonged dry spells, and increased temperatures, we must develop adaptation strategies to cope with climate change impacts and integrate water conservation practices into all developmental activities, including infrastructure development, mining and tourism. To ensure the sustainability of water resources in Meghalaya, we need to implement a comprehensive and coordinated approach involving all stakeholders, including government, civil society, private sector, local communities. We must work together to ensure Meghalaya has a sustainable and secure water future.